Yeah, okay, I can do that too.
Hey!
Okay, Brandy, grab on! Are you okay?
It's all good, thanks.
Anytime, sis.
Yeah, Whiskers, let's not start that whole family thing again.
Me start? I heard you call me brother.
Momentary confusion, that's all. Let's go home.
You got it, sis, Brandy.
What are you doing?
Sorry. Old habits die hard.